See, I have come, Lord, to do your will. See, I have come, Lord, to do your will. I waited for the Lord, and he stooped down to me. He heard my cry. He put a new song into my mouth, praise of our God. See, I have come, Lord, to do your will. You delight not in sacrifice and offerings, but in an open ear. You do not ask for holocaust and victim. Then I said, see, I have come. See, I have come, Lord, to do your will. In the scroll of the book, it stands written of me. I delight to your will, O my God. Your instruction lies deep within me. See, I have come, Lord, to do your will. Your justice I have proclaimed in the great assembly. My lips I have not sealed. You know it, O Lord. See, I have come, Lord, to do your will.